Babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trenae. If you're new here, I go by Trenaejxo. Today, I wanted to put together a lookbook for Thanksgiving. I know it's tomorrow, literally, and this video is a little late. I did want to get this up a couple of days ago, but, you know, life. Anywho, I wanted to put together something just to give you guys some, ideas or inspiration about what you could wear for Thanksgiving. Because if you're anything like me, truth be told, I'm the Beyonce of my family, so if you can relate, you know, we like to look cute for the holidays. We like to dress up, we like to look cute, we want to be done. The thing about 2020 holiday season is it's going to be a little bit more low-key than probably holidays have been in the past. And so I just kind of wanted to give you guys some ideas and inspiration of how you can still look cute, but keep it cash for Thanksgiving and the remainder of the holiday season. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I think I kind of snapped, but I'll let you be the judge. All right, babes. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this first look turned out cute, like a lot cuter than I thought it was going to. This sweatshirt is from the thrift store, which I love it because it's like collegiate. It says Wolfsville, but I don't know if that's like a school or I don't really know what it is. Maybe I'll have to Google it and figure that out. And then I have my Brandon Blackwood in Systemic Racism tote. Y'all know I love this bag. And I just tucked my sweatshirt up under my bra so it wouldn't be all bulky. I was going to actually tuck it into my pants, but I didn't want it to be like super bulgy and bulky in this section because I'm already bloated. Like, I don't know what's going on, but yeah. These pants are like, you know, khaki style, like cargo pants from H&M. And I actually never wear these. And I just pulled them out and was like, let me try to like come up with an outfit. And then my dad's sandals, you guys like know, I told y'all I try to wear these every chance I get. They're from Zara. I think that this is really cute. This is for if it's a little bit warmer where you are. If it is cool, obviously you could just throw a coat on under this and untuck the sweatshirt if you don't want it to be, you know, showing your midsection or what have you. You could just wear it normal, or you could tuck it into your pants like normal. And then in terms of like shoes, if it's too cold for sandals, you could either, I like to like pair like Argyle socks with these type of dad sandals, or even like just pair it with some boots that are the same color. But I think this is so cute and comfy, and the back of these pants, the waistband is elastic, so it's good for when you start eating, your waistband will expand with your stomach. So yeah, super cozy, super comfortable, but a little bit more dressed, I guess, and a little bit more casual than just maybe like wearing some sweatpants with this, because that's probably what I would usually just pair a sweatshirt like this with. Okay, I tried to clean this mirror. It was a fail. I did a horrible job. But this is the next look. This plaid shirt, I couldn't even think of it. This flannel, that's what it's called. Okay, there we go, flannel. This flannel is the one that I feature in my Walmart haul. I got this from Walmart. This is a men's flannel and it's in a size extra large. These glasses, I never really was into stuff like this, but I got them from Amazon to go with my Halloween costume, and I was like, oh, this is cute with this look. Like, it just kicks it up a notch, makes it a little bit more fancy. And if the sun is out on Thanksgiving, then I mean, why not? This purse I got from Sheen or however you say that. And these leather pants are from Zara. And then these boots are from Public Desire. So yeah, I think it came out really cute as well. Super cute, oversized flannel. Obviously is very holiday festive in the spirit of the holiday. And with the shirt being oversized, like, it covers your midsection, so you can eat as much as you want. I'm getting annoyed because now we're losing light. So this is a little bit more dressy too if you were looking for, you know, another option besides wearing like pants. So this sweater vest is from Zara. This white button down top is also from Walmart. I featured it in my Walmart haul. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check that out, and I will link it down in the description box. And this shirt is a men's extra large, and then I paired that with these sheer tights, and then these boots from Public Desire, which I love so much. So I snapped on this lookbook. I just hope that y'all are appreciating all of these looks that I'm turning out. Like, okay, come on now, we gotta give credit where it's due. Okay, so for this next look, I wanted to dress it up just a little bit in case, you want to be a little bit more fancy, if you want a little bit more razzle dazzle. So basically, I have this leather blazer from Zara. The bodysuit is from Missguided. These sweatpants or joggers are from my Walmart haul. So they're super comfortable, super soft. And then these boots, like these little booties with this low heel. It's really cool because you can dress this up, but the heel isn't super high, so it's still comfortable. They are from Nordstrom Rack, and they're by Steve Madden, but I got them from Nordstrom Rack. And then this purse I got from the thrift store. Like, this outfit is like right up my alley. This is totally my vibe and very, very authentic to my true style. So yeah, I feel super comfortable in this. Obviously, the sweatpants are really, really comfortable. They have an elastic waist, and you can curl up on the couch after dinner to watch a movie. And then obviously, black always just makes you look more chic and thin, because that's important, because we're going to be eating, stuffing our faces. We want to look thin. That's what we want. We want to look thin. Okay, like, can we just take a moment? I really outdid myself. Like, I must say, These Converses are a J.W. Anderson collab. And this, again, is another option if you want something more fancy. And, of course, this is not fitted, so it's super... All right, babes, so that concludes my Thanksgiving / holiday casual lookbook. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video and if you enjoy these types of videos, please hit the thumbs up button. I have seen that a lot of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed to my channel yet. If you do enjoy my videos, hit that button for me, guys. I would really love it if you did. I just want to wish you guys all a happy Thanksgiving. If you're celebrating, please cherish this time with your loved ones. 2020 has literally been nuts. So these are the times, like family time, holidays, when the family is able to come together and you're able to spend time with those close to you, your loved ones, and those that really matter. These are the times that, we should cherish and hold near and dear to us, and the things that matter the most. I encourage you guys to stay safe if you're traveling, if you're home. And until next time, babes.